Right, so in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to blacklist devices from your personal hotspot on your OnePlus 13. So if there's a device connected or it keeps connecting and you no longer want it to connect, you can actually add that device to the blacklist. So go to settings and then go to connection and sharing, tap on that, and then tap on personal hotspot. And then you should see connection management, tap on that. And first of all, this is going to be a list of all devices connected to your personal hotspot. So let's say you want to blacklist this device, this S24 Ultra. All you have to do is tap on this red icon. Then it's going to ask you disconnect the device and add it to the block list. So if you tap on OK, you'll notice that device has now been added to the blacklist, and that means the device can no longer connect to your personal hotspot. That's basically how you can blacklist a device from your personal hotspot on the OnePlus 13. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips. It really does help us out, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.